this video is about solving questions like this on integration. Now this question looks difficult in the first look, but it is really easy. Now pause this video and try to solve this question and then see what is the solution of this question. Now the solution of this question is really simple and you don't need to memorize any difficult formulas for this one. Just separate this one as x cubed divided by x squared dx plus integration 5x squared divided by x squared dx plus minus in here minus integration 4 upon x squared dx. Now we will just do some little tricks, which is this. We'll cut this one and also this one, and this will go up there like this. X plus dx plus 5 integration of dx minus 4 integration of x raised to the power minus 2 dx. Now integration of this one is x squared divided by 2, which is x raised to the power n. I will write in here x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is like this, plus 5 dx. Integration of dx is x. Now this is a little difficult. Now integration of x raised to the power minus 2. 4 is constant, it will come outside. Now in here we will do this. X raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Now x square by 2 plus 5x minus, in here it will become minus 1, which will make it plus 4, and x raised to the power minus 1, it will be like x raised to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1, this term. Now it will be x upon x. It will be denominator, which is x to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x. So this is the answer of this question, and this is how you solve questions like this on integration. This question looks very difficult, but it is really easy. So thanks for watching this video, and always remember that math is everything.